Hi and welcome to my channel, Come With Debbie. In this vlog I'm going to show you where I stayed. It was at Premier Inn Salisbury North Bishopdown. So come with me and I'll show you around the room. The outside looks a bit tired, but the inside was totally refurbished and absolutely immaculate. It was lovely. Thoroughly enjoyed my stay there. So I hope that was helpful to you. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you again in my next vlog. Bye now.